Sometimes it's hard to picture what a big change in your home might look like. New kitchen countertops, new bathroom tile. You see it on a showroom floor, but you really gotta get a better idea when you see it in a home.
Yeah, DeGraaf Interiors has been a part of some pretty amazing transformations in West Michigan, and you're about to see another one. I took a trip to a nearly 10,000 square foot home near the Thornapple River that got a major upgrade. Take a look. We're here at a beautiful home, nearly 10,000 square feet of it, Sandy Hollow Drive on the shores of Thornapple River with Deb DeGraaf from DeGraaf Interiors. Deb, this house didn't look like this, not even close, about a year ago. Tell us what you've done.
It has been a project of all projects for us, really. I mean, the rooms of this home, and we've got some before and after photos because we cannot stand here and even try to think about what this used to look like unless you see the pictures. Now it is a large, very welcoming, open floor plan, many bedrooms for a big family, and bathrooms galore, theater. I mean, it just goes, the list goes on, and we were just so happy to be a part of it all.
You do more than just putting countertops and flooring. I mean, you're taking down walls.
We work with some partners because we really focus on flooring, countertops, tile, but we work with great partners. I mean, Beacon's helped us with appliances. We work with Align Cabinetry with cabinets and work with a developer to just really not try to just band-aid this home, but really recreate the home. And just the pieces like this countertop and some of the tile work in the showers, it fits now. Walking through this for the last year to see it change, I almost can't believe where we ended up today.
It's a beautiful home. Let's talk about this countertop. I mean, this is a massive, what am I looking at? This is marble quartz. What do I got?
All the countertops in here are quartz.
Okay.
Very easy to maintain, won't stain, you don't have to seal them. Very, very durable. You can do amazing things like waterfall edges. And the visual on these with the large veining just really seems to be what everybody's looking at right now. And then you move into the bathrooms where they're a little smaller, and so we've got a little bit more muted, not as loud, if you want to say, but this is a focal piece in this room, so you really had to wow this space.
And DeGraaf Interiors is phenomenal at that, taking something that looks dated and making it look modern and today. And let's talk about the different levels of, I mean, there are different types of countertops that you offer. It's not all just massive slabs of quartz.
Yes, I mean, we still do laminate countertops. I mean, everybody's heard the word Formica. It's kind of used interchangeably. We do a lot of quartz. Granite kind of falls in the mix there as well, and depending on what the visual is of the granite, it can be less expensive to more expensive. I would say the majority of the countertops we're doing today are quartz, just because of their easy maintenance.
Now let's talk about some tile work. Tell me, I mean, some of these bathrooms weren't even bathrooms.
Right.
I mean, talk about what you've done. There's how many? 8, 9 of them?
I think there's 9 in total.
Okay,
in here, if
all
I'm
right.
remembering right. I mean, we created a few to be more functional. Large tile showers that used to be small, we call them phone booth fiberglass showers. And I think the tile sizes in here range from 1 inch by inch to 24 by 48 inches. So there's many sizes, and depending on which bathroom and what space, we tried to really just make it, again, look intentional, make the space feel bigger, not make it too wild, like here with the tile behind us. I mean, it was, yeah, we need tile up here, but we don't want it to overpower this room. So there's dimension to this tile, but it doesn't scream pattern to you.
When it comes to the kitchen tile and the bathroom tile, if you're in this home, you're gonna see so many different colors, different sizes. And of course, they can do the same thing in your home, right? I mean, this is something that people call you for all the time. Talk about the process when somebody calls DeGraaf Interiors.
When somebody calls into one of our stores, because we have 2 locations, one in Ada and Fulton and one out in Hudsonville, we first ask them, you know, where do you live? Because we want to partner them with our location that makes the most sense. We then turn them over to one of our designers, sales associates, to basically walk them through the process. They can come in the showroom, we can come to them. We offer free measuring, so we have 2 gentlemen on the road every day going to homes to measure. This one took a day to measure, and then we get measurements back, and we have a very cohesive team that runs all the way from the person that is out in the measuring all the way through project managers that work through extensive projects like this along with the design staff.
Well, you're definitely going to want to check out their website. You want to check out DeGraaf Interiors for your home if you're going to do an upgrade or a new build or whatever it is. But for this interview, I think we should just be quiet and let these before and after pictures take us to the end, because wait till you see what they've done here.
And pay attention to that graphic on your screen, because DeGraaf is celebrating America's 250th birthday with big savings. Now through July 31st, you can go to DeGraaf Interiors and save on carpet, and maybe even get a fun Patriot Prize surprise. It's a little surprise offer waiting for you, but you gotta go in store to get it. It's the Stars and Stripes sale, and you can learn more by heading to DeGraafInteriors.com.